Look at this scratch. Most people think this means repainting. But today, I'll show you how to fix light car scratches at home. No repaint, no body shop, and very low cost. Let's start. Here's what you need: a scratch remover compound, a soft polishing sponge, a clean microfiber cloth, and a little water spray. These tools are cheap and easy to find online or in any car shop. First, clean the scratched area. Dirt can cause more damage if you rub it into the paint. Spray water, wipe gently, and dry the surface completely. Now the area is ready for treatment. Now apply a small amount of scratch remover onto the sponge. Rub it on the scratched area using small circular motions. Apply gentle pressure. Keep rubbing for about 1 minute. This compound smooths the clear coat layer. After rubbing, take a clean microfiber cloth. Buff the surface to remove extra compound. Slowly wipe until the surface becomes shiny. You'll start seeing the scratch fade away. Here's the result: before and after. The scratch is now almost invisible, and the paint looks smooth and glossy again. Here's the result: before and after. The scratch is now almost invisible, and the paint looks smooth and glossy again. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more car care tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.